Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownie powder. First, gather all your dry ingredients. We're aiming to create a convenient, ready-to-use mix that simplifies future baking. This homemade powder allows you to control the sweetness and richness, ensuring your brownies are always just right. It's a fantastic way to prepare for those sudden dessert cravings or last-minute potlucks. To begin, measure out 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1.5 cups of granulated sugar into a large bowl. Next, carefully add 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, which is crucial for that deep chocolate taste. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt to enhance the flavors and texture. Whisk these dry ingredients thoroughly until they are completely combined and uniform. Once your dry ingredients are perfectly blended, it's time for storage. Transfer the entire mixture into an airtight container, such as a large glass jar or a sturdy plastic container. Label it clearly so you know exactly what it is. Storing it in a cool, dry place, like your pantry, will keep it fresh for up to 3 months, ready for your next baking adventure. When you're ready to bake, simply pour your homemade brownie powder into a bowl. Add 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix until just combined, then spread into a greased 8x8-inch baking pan. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade brownies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.